Hello my dear friends, welcome to learn SAP FI0. Friends, in today's session we will continue the end user activity of asset accounting in SAP FI. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. In a previous session we have created the asset master data under the T code AS01. So today we will create asset acquisition under the T code F-90. Here friends, when we want to acquire or purchase asset without purchase order, so we create asset master data in F-90 with vendor. So here we are purchasing an asset directly from the vendor. So let's now go to SAP screen and see how to perform this end user activity. So the T code is F-90 and I'm going through a path. This end user activity we will perform on SAP Easy Access screen. Now click on this accounting. Under accounting, click on financial accounting. Then click on fixed assets, posting, acquisition, external acquisition, then first one, that is with vendor. So double click on it, or the T code is F-90. Here we can purchase the asset directly from the vendor. We are not following the PO process. So here we can purchase the asset directly without PO. So first of all, you give the document date, like I am giving this 1st of August 2020, and posting date I am giving the same, on which date you are posting into the system. This is the date on which you are posting into the system. So I have given this, and document type is KR. Here you can give the company code. Our company code is Tata. Give the currency I am giving INR for India. Here rest information you can give as per your invoice. Then first we are selecting this 31 posting key. Here we will select the vendor, press F4 key and select your vendor, press enter. And I am selecting this Royal Choice and Company. Then press enter. So the next window has popped up. Here you have to give the amount for your first item, that I am giving for my asset 5 lakh rupees I am giving here. So if it is under the category of text, so here you can give text category, and then you can mention here the business place or section code as per your company. You can mention here. Then here the payment term is selected 0001, that is means immediate payment. If you want to see the list, you can see by pressing F4 key. This is first immediate payment. Here you can give the text or narration you can mention here, or you can give any assignment number as per your company. You can see the details and mention these details. And here in a next line item we will select the posting key 70 for, press F4 key. Here we will select our asset, which asset you want to acquire. So I am selecting this asset. Then here you have to give a transaction type. Select transaction type. Here you can choose by the pressing F4 key. Here we will select this 100 number for external asset acquisition. This step is mandatory. Without filling this external asset acquisition or without filling this transaction type, system will not allow you to move further, it will show you error. So this is the mandatory step to fill the transaction type. Which type of is your transaction you have to define here. Then just press enter. Here need to give the amount. I am giving 5 lakh rupees. The amount. Again, here if it is comes in under the text category, so you can mention here the text code and calculate tax, and rest this business place section code as per your company you can mention these details. Here you can mention the quantity, how many quantity you are going to acquire. So I am giving this one, as we have configured also in a previous video. So accordingly it has shown you EA means for each, that measuring unit we have selected at the time of configuration. So now reference date has pop up taken automatically by the previous window. So here again, if you want to give any narration, so you can mention here, then click on enter. So it is a information message. If it comes under the text category, so you can mention here. So we are doing without text category, so just press enter. Then you can simulate this. Go to document and click on simulate, enter, and here you can see the entry. Here your vendor account is credited with the posting key 31 with 5 lakh rupees, and your asset is debited with posting key 70 with 5 lakh rupees. If you feel it is correct, so you can post directly. Here you can post directly. So at the bottom you will get the message, document was posted in company code data. Now this is the document which has posted. Now you can see the report. Your fixed asset will show in two places. First is in your gross block GL, which you have selected in this. So we can see the GL line item by the T code FBL 3N. Here select your gross block GL, press F4 key and give your chart of account. Our chart of account is Tata. Press enter and select your gross block GL. Your asset will reflect here also. Then click on all items, then execute it. Here you can see the invoice which we have posted on 1st of August with rupees 5 lakh rupees has shown here. If you want to see more details, you can double click on it and see the more details by click on this overview. Here you can see your vendor is credited and your asset is debited with these posting keys.